Meet Joe. Joe's going to spend the day shopping with a friend. Since he wants it to be a great experience, he decides to go online and check out some reviews on restaurants and shops in the area that they will be in. Meet Jane. Jane spent a day in the same area last weekend. She ate at ABC Diner, which has XYZ Shop attached to it, where she also purchased a few gifts. Her experience at ABC Diner and XYZ Shop was great. Because ABC and XYZ use Chatterbox, they were able to request that Jane went online and write some reviews, which she gladly did. In the meantime, Joe finds the reviews that Jane had written about ABC Diner and XYZ Shop. Because of the reviews that Jane and other happy customers had left, Joe and his friend decided to give ABC and XYZ a try and found the experience to be a great one as well.
Again, because ABC and XYZ use the simple system created by Chatterbox, the process continues to repeat itself over and over again. That's Chatterbox.